Ladies and gentlemen, damas y caballeros, it's time. It's time for the Kalifazz Puro Beach Party Podcast. And now, your hosts, Kalifazz and the funny guy, Guy Murray.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Amigos, welcome back to the Kalifazz Puro Peachy Party Podcast. That's right, with Kalifazz. Yeah. Y el negrito, my brother, Guy Murray, the funny guy. Amigos, welcome back. Welcome back. We're back. We're back. We're back.
It's all from the back to the front. That's what we're here for, y'all.
Oh, hell, I want to say.
This was gonna be a good one.
I want to say hi to you. I want to say hi to you, to you. I know you don't like you, but I know you're watching me, cabrón.
Sit down in the front. We're about to get started.
Come on, Vato. Everybody, please step back. All the people that love Kalifazz.
Come to the front.
Ah, por favor. If you didn't wear no pinche, what do you call that? Spray, right arm and all that shit.
Your right guard.
No limones. You come in front. Come in front. Let's get the stinky people in the front.
No pretty perfume people in the back.
Mr. Guy Murray, how you doing, my brother?
What's happening?
Oh, man. You know what? I'm so excited to be here, man. You know what? Oh, my God. You know what? The other day, man, I got up. Okay, I gotta tell you guys a story, you know? I'm gonna tell you a story. You know, we went to Laughlin, Nevada. Oh, that's a trumpet. The other day, on my birthday, we went to Laughlin, Nevada.
Okay.
I don't know if you ever been to Laughlin, Nevada.
I've been there.
Vato, there's a sign, no negritos accepted. Only if you're tall and good looking.
I don't remember that sign.
A la madre.
Were you dreaming?
You know what? It was a dream.
It was a dream.
Dream. I can't sing right now, my voice hurts. So check this out, man. So we're in Laughlin, Nevada, you know, we're at my son, Mickey. A big shout out to my son, Mickey. Ese cabrón is so tall.
Yeah.
Are you sure you're not the dad?
Is he dark though?
Not mucho.
No,
Mickey, he better not be your dad, cabrón, okay?
Tell the truth. How old is he?
He is gonna be, God, if I fuck it up, he's gonna get pissed. My daughter is gonna be 37. I think he's 35.
Oh man, I was hitting a lot of skins back. No, I'm.
Damn, man, that's why I'm gonna fire you.
I'm fired, man.
So check this out. We're in Laughlin, Nevada. Once again, welcome to the Kalifazz Puro Peachy Party Podcast. Yeah. So I always wanted to do this. You know what? Back in the days, I'm gonna tell you guys a story.
Tell me a story.
I'm gonna tell you two stories.
Two. Okay.
Two too many?
Two to get started.
Anyway, so, you know, back in the day, I used to play the same dances, los bailes con Cornelio Reina and all this kind of stuff. I'm not gonna say they did it, okay? Because I don't want to be a chismosa. But dude, I remember back in the day, everybody was doing the cocaína and all that shit, right? So now that I'm old, I'm only 24 years old. And anyways, I'm just lying. I'm lying, cabrones.
That's right.
So I had just turned 57, and I hate when I burp. Is that rude?
It's the Modelo speaking.
Fuck, man.
Talk to him.
So anyways, I told my son, excuse me. Okay. So I've always wanted to walk in. My son, Fumamota. Sorry, Mickey, I'm putting you on blast. So we're in Laughlin. We've been going for years. And they got this big-ass dispensary.
Okay.
A big-ass dispensary, right? So I tell my son, mijo, we talked about the birds and the bees when he was young. Liar. I never told my son about the birds and the bees. Did your dad ever tell you about the birds and the bees?
I had to talk.
Well, how'd it go?
It says you're gonna notice some changes. You're gonna have some urges, and women are gonna look at. You're gonna look at women a bit differently.
And okay, so the changes. What is the changes? Because if you haven't not talked to your kids about the birds and the bees, we're gonna fucking show you guys how we talk about the birds.
No,
we're not gonna show you, but we're gonna tell you.
Tell you about it.
We're gonna be like Dr. Phil,
A little bit.
but we're gonna be Dr. Kalifazz,
And el morenito.
el Doctor Morenito, aquí en the Kalifazz, puro Peachy Party podcast.
El pi 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 pi.
You gotta go pee 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 pee.
Pi pi pi. No, I don't gotta.
Ponle ganas, güey. Pee, 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 pee.
Pi 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 pi. 4 P's. You got enough for the footage.
I honestly don't even know what I'm doing with this guy.
Well,
I think I'm using him for the color
he's definitely needing color commentary.
and a taller commentary.
Heights where
Okay.
all the stuff coming down from the cielo.
En la madre, en la madre. We'll talk about that
I'm
later.
closer
but
to heaven than he is. That's all I know.
I can jump like white man can't, Mexican can't jump.
Mexican can't jump. Yeah, you got
All
a
right.
gravitational.
So
Talk to me.
if your dad tells you, I'll come back to the story about my son and in Laughlin.
Right.
So when they say, what was the first one you said?
There's going to be some changes.
What kind of changes, Mr. Guy?
Oh, your body is going to be developing. You're going to be sweaty. your body's going to sweat more. Your hormones are going to be balanced, and you're going to be just changing. So you're going to have these changes.
No, say
I
it.
don't want to do it. I don't want to change. But you have to change, son. You're going to grow change. You're going to have these changes. The next level is you're going to have some urges.
What is urges? Because
Urges?
you go to Burger King and you have this urge for a Big Mac.
That's a burger urge.
Ah, en la madre.
Ganas. Vas a tener ganas. En sus huevos.
Ouch!
But seriously, folks.
We're very serious right now.
El Dr. Morenito dice
El doctor Morenito dice,
your
testáculos.
testáculos se van a
Is that how you say it?
testáculos.
Well, let's Google it. Let's Google it.
Don't Google. Okay.
No,
We will be actual and
testáculos.
factual. Testáculos.
Fuck it. So anyways.
Sus huevos. And then
¿My huevos?
not your huevos.
Oh,
when you were growing
el
up,
güey dijo
your-
sus huevos.
your huevos would change, and then they would become full, and so your urge is to just let it go, and then you're gonna look at women different because you want
What?
to let it go.
Let it go! Let it go! Let it go like that?
Yeah, let it go.
Wow.
And so on the women or in the women, and then that's how the cycle of life happens. So you got the changes, the urges, and the letting it go.
En la madre,
That's
man.
how it was explained to me, and I've taken it to heart.
You know what? Now you really pissed me off, guy.
Why? When you didn't get to talk? Did you get to talk? You didn't get to talk.
Well, yeah. We had I was in, remember the 4th, 5th grade?
Yeah.
That, what was that shit called? Family in la madre. Nos enseñaban fotos de tetas. Pero it wasn't real. It was painted. Come on, you know you saw that. You know you saw that shit.
You can't have a class with a bunch of giggling little 4th graders and
No. It was a drawing like a lady with two chingaderas así, two ojitos, a belly button, and something over there.
something over there.
Well, I didn't know what the fuck that was.
So did they point and say, or how did
Well-
they explain? How did you get to talk?
Oh my God. I remember being a kid. I was like in the 4th or 5th grade, I think it was, and they gave us a letter and they take this to your mommy and papi. Make sure that they signed it. Cause this is gonna be, I didn't think it, she doesn't matter. What's this gonna be? God damn it. Well, because you know what? Unfortunately, my mother and my father did not teach us mucho inglés. So we didn't know shit in English, man. We didn't know shit in English. So they'd say, you read it, cabrón. What does it say? They were asking our parents permission. Come on, you know you were there like Kalifazz and también el guy. What the hell was that class? We needed permission so they could tell us about the birds and the bees, but era chichis, pitos, y panza. I forgot what the fuck. So I'm going to my dad. Hey, papi, they gave me this piece of paper. ¿Qué es eso, cabrón? Well, I don't know. They said they're going to send the chichis, I guess, pitos, and ¿qué es esa cosa over there, Dad? I don't know. He signed it, dude.
He did. Now you get to experience.
I can't breathe. Wilma, I'm coming home. Wilma. En la madre, dude. So on the TV, they got this vieja with big chichis and 2 eyes and a belly button and that thing over there. I'm not gonna say it.
Cruz, a little white.
Sí. And then they got this vato. I swear to God, el vato had to be negrito.
Okay.
Because there was this vato over here on the TV and this is this. And they're pointing at the man. Cochino, cabrón. La cabeza here. I wish I was like John Madden where I could do the X and O's. And then we see this pinche plátano.
Plátano.
What the fuck is that, man?
Eggplant.
That's embarrassing.
They use the eggplant now.
That was embarrassing, vato.
Plátano's like this, but the eggplant's like that.
So then I don't watch Pornhub. I don't watch Pornhub. But that thing was so fucking big. And I'm looking at myself. That's not Kalifazz.
That's not Kalifazz.
Now that I'm getting flashbacks. Eres te pinche negrito. Next subject.
So I mean,
I forgot. So we're talking about Laughlin. I can't breathe, woman. Take me home. I'm coming home. Oh, that was from Sanford and Son.
Yeah, but I don't know who Wilma is.
What was your name?
It was Elizabeth. I'm coming.
Elizabeth, hey, but I'm Mexican. Wilma. This guy used to watch the Flintstones. So, anyways, so we go to Laughlin, right? Mm-hmm. And we've been going for years. My wife and I. My wife got me, and she's over there supporting Kalifazz like she always does. No seas tan mal, cabrón.
No, métate.
A la chingada, cabrón.
There you go.
You know. And then, but I don't like that about my family life.
The story doesn't have the same flavor if you don't tell the truth. Don't enhance it for nothing. I can't.
So then, finally, I get to walk in dispensary.
Okay.
Dude, I didn't even know how to spell fucking dispensary. I didn't even know how to say that shit. But every time I see that damn thing, I thought about my son Mickey.
Here's my question: was it dark and dungeony, or was it lit up, like brighter than bright?
I thought I was walking into the Twilight Zone.
This is crazy.
So we walk in. I told my son, I leave my wife outside in the car because, it's so fucking hot out there.
Yeah.
Leave that bitch AC on. Her fucking hair was so fucking, it was like just flying like Thalia and Shakira. You know how the hair's all here? Oh, Thalia. Like all the hair flying and all that bullshit. So then, me being a great father that I am, the only thing we're missing, we held hands.
Okay.
That was the only thing as a father and son, cabrón.
Walked in there to get the.
So we walk. We open the door. It's locked.
Oh.
Like, hijo de tu pinche madre, dice ahí, go through the other door. No mames, way. There's 2 here. Why can't we go in?
Okay.
I want to go into this mota place, right? I want to go into this mota place.
Dispensary.
Dispensary. I almost thought it said despensa, cabrón. But no. So me and my son are making that walk.
Uh-huh.
Me and my son and I'm looking at my son. I'm proud of you, I'm proud of you, carnal. I'm proud of you. I'm feeling like, no, rider. So anyways, we finally made that walk.
Okay.
We made a right. There was a security guard right there like, what the fuck is this guy gonna do? Is he gonna ask for my green card?
Yeah, the gateway guy. Okay, cool.
Not gay guy.
Gateway guy.
I go, la madre, man, en la madre. Este cabrón's gonna ask me for the mica. I'm USA, vato. opens the door, and now all I get, la madre. Guess what it smelled like?
You couldn't smell anything.
Bullshit! It smelled like my damn son Mickey's car. I feel like I'm in Mickey's car. Let me breathe.
Yes.
USA.
Okay.
Highway. Then all of a sudden, doom, doom. IDs, please. Okay, what the fuck? IDs otra vez? First I thought there was a migra guy out there.
Right.
And I walk in, dude. My son don't give a fuck. El vato anda bien acá, you know, like Michael Jackson and all that shit. IDs, please. Then we take our IDs. They're like a DNA. Number 24. And I'm looking. Mijo, what's up? Number 24, last call. What the fuck, man? Mickey, what are you gonna do, man? What are you gonna do? You gonna get me high? No, Dad, relax, homie, relax. I'm so proud of my son.
Yeah.
I'm so proud of my son. Mickey, I know you're watching this shit. They open the doors. Oh, we see this white smoke. Number 21, number 23. Mr. Enriquez, line 32. Like, what the fuck? I thought we were walking in, what was that movie? What was that movie where they open the lights and you see Diosito and you see all this stuff? Dude, I saw nothing but smoke. You guys can't lie. You guys have seen that shit. Don't lie to me, marihuanos. Don't lie to me, marihuanos. If you haven't smoked pot, smoke pot.
Get it. Get it in and get it good.
Damn.
That's what's up.
So anyways, muy chingón. Ahí voy yo. Boom. Boom. Walking. And I'm all fucking excited. I think I'm in my son Mickey's car, right?
Yeah.
They ask us, what would you like? I know what I want.
What do you want?
I have no fucking clue.
But Mickey knew?
Talk to Mickey.
Right.
And then they give you a whole fucking list. Do you want Tejano music? Do you want country music? Do you want, what's that guy, Snoop Dogg? Ba-da, ba-da. Can you dance like me? Oh, shit. So I tell my son, Mickey, have we ever talked about the birds and the bees? What's that, Dad? I'm just fucking with you, Vato. You gotta tell me, what are we gonna buy, man? What are we gonna buy? Well, what do you want, Dad? I wanna get high. Gotta get high. So then next thing you know, I buy gummy bears.
Okay.
Pretty tasty.
Yeah.
I bought a pipe.
Oh, wait, a pipe. Okay.
It was pretty cool. It was like watermelon. Mickey, you watching this shit. We walked out. I'm all high. Spent $230 damn.
So you got the smoke there, gum.
No, mi madre. No. They put this in this fucking bag and shit.
Okay.
So next, I'm fucking proud.
Okay. But how did you get smoked out in the place? You did.
Cause it smelled like my son's fucking car.
Okay, so you just got a contact high of just the smell.
Yeah. And then I'm walking out in Chigon. Yeah, baby. Fuck you guys. I got money. I walked out spending $230 fucking dollars.
For a little piece of grass.
No.
Some gummy bears.
Gummy bears, a pipe, and whatever my son said to say. And he goes, fuck yeah, I can't wait. I got $230 worth of shit, vato.
It's just expensive.
Then
what happened to your weed, man? You go down and get your weed.
Then I realized, vato.
Yeah.
We go back to the casino. I'm $230 fucking dollars short to gamble.
Can't gamble now. Maybe put the gummy bear in.
No! The life of a musician. The life of a Kalifazz.
Kalifazz is.
Oh my God. So anyways, let's hear the story, man. Let's hear the story.
Now, you know what? If you are coming to a particular point in your life where you aren't sure about your your chosen path.
Hold on, I'll be right
Don't
back.
worry.
I'll be right back. Hold on. I'm back.
Bum,
Bum, bum, bum, bum.
Bigger and better. Bum, 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 bum.
Once again,
you are listening and watching the Kalifazz Puro Pinche Party Podcast. That'll work.
I wait.
Stop that.
Come on, guys.
You are listening to the Kalifazz.
Hijo de tu pinche.
Estás escuchando el Kalifazz Puro Pinche Party Podcast.
Con el negrito.
Con el morenito.
Ah, same shit.
That's the same.
Come on, guys.
Uno está más chivo, uno está más suave, otro está muy defensivo.
Salud con leche.
Salud con leche.
This vato
Wait.
no toma.
Salud con leche.
My suegro just say agua bendita.
Agua bendita.
You know when you go to church and you get the water and like, no. La madre.
I didn't touch your beard, but it was just a little dab.
All right, come on. I need to know.
I know how Mexican are you? How Mexican are you?
I'm half black,
Okay.
3/4 Mexican,
Any Aztec in there?
and the other quarter I don't know what the fuck we is.
Okay.
But that little what the fuck didn't make me taller.
That's how Mexican you really are. It's that. I mean,
I wish I would have been negrito como él over there.
No.
Is it true?
No.
Is that true?
No, it's true.
Oh.
You don't. You accept the hand that you were dealt.
Yes, sir.
You can't play cards with the guys next to you.
Are you gonna make me cry?
No, this is that time of growth and reality.
Wait, hold on. Amigos míos, this is the time of growth and reality. Con el doctor Guy Murray, the funny guy. Con ustedes, Guy Murray.
Murray. Hey, so when you realize what's going on, your growth and your decisions to make certain things happen in your life, they happen for a reason. Not because of your deseos, all of your ganas, your direction. I'm
getting horny.
Don't get. No,
Well, he says
on.
ganas.
Hold on.
Oh.
So you have your desires. You have your ganas. You have your pensamientos buenos.
I've seen this on Netflix.
Okay. But it's your a fuerza. When you go out there and you put some force and some potential to it, it comes back to you in multiplicity. The universe, el universe.
La universidad.
La universidad. No, la universidad.
Yeah, same shit.
No, what's the same stuff? Casi. Es el mismo. So it comes back to you because you manifested.
Okay. If you're gonna talk English on the podcast shows that Kalifazz Puro Pinche Party,
El pi, 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 pi.
don't be using hard ass words, vato.
Why?
Manifested.
Manifesting.
A la gente vuelta que en Monterrey, Nuevo León, que nos están escuchando aquí en el Kalifazz Puro Pinche Party podcast.
El pi, 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 pi.
¿Qué chingados? No sabemos qué quiere decir manifested.
Well, manifested is man-I-fested.
Manifestivo.
Man-I-festivo. So if you go, man, hombre, yo.
Niño.
So the
Yo.
man who made things for himself, he fested them.
El que se hizo hombre.
Manifestivo. So, sí.
Es mamón el güey. Para los que no...
I just made that shit up. Hombre
Ah,
hombre solamente que se hicieron todas las cosas.
Manifesting. Perdón.
There you go.
Hey, vato. Vamos a mandar... Let's send some shoutouts para Monterrey, Nuevo León.
Monterrey.
San Luis Potosí.
¿Por quién?
San Luis Potosí.
Oh, yeah.
You heard of that shit?
También, yeah.
No, es puro mexicanos.
¿Has ido ahí?
No, pero porque no tengo papeles.
No, bueno.
And then la gente vuelta de Tijuana.
También tengo familia allí.
You know, I want to send a big shout out to Modesto, California. I gotta send shout outs, man. We haven't sent fucking shout outs.
Shout out to Tarzana, California. You would not believe
What the fuck is Tarzana?
Oh!
¡Ay, perro! I want to say a shout out to JD. Ay,
What's
puto.
happening? That's what's crazy.
You know what? There's a person I want to send a big shout out.
Who you want to send
That
a
I
shout
know
out to?
she's gonna support my show,
on the show?
and she's gonna push the show and push the show.
Give me a name.
Her name is.
Okay, we forgot
Leti Olivares.
Oh my God.
The
no.
one and only desde Modesto, California.
Okay, well, since we're
Saludos,
doing
Leti.
name dropping, let's go do Lupita Madrona.
Vamos a mandar un saludo para
Para siempre.
mejor me callo porque I'm gonna get my ass kicked.
Okay, just
Ah.
This is a moment of oh my
You know what?
God.
Let me send a shout out to my beautiful daughter that I didn't send a shout out before because she hasn't paid her rent.
Oh, okay.
Veronica,
Shout it out.
Veronica Enriquez.
Okay.
I want to send a big shout out to my comadre Carito, La Pareja, and my compa Ismael. And Juan Jimenez and Elia. And for that guy over there, that really fucking pissed me off.
Oh wow. Okay, but you gotta get a shout out anyway.
Pues sí, porque me hizo putar.
Yes.
He pissed me off.
Way
dude.
off.
You know what? And el Sancho. Have you ever had a Sancho?
I don't think so, but I could use his help.
Oh my
I could use his help. So shout out to El Sancho, El
¿Sabes
Gringo,
qué es
El
lo que me
Negro, y
emputa
todo
de
eso.
los Sanchos?
What?
You know what fucks me up de los Sanchos?
What fucks you up?
It doesn't matter what he does.
It's what he doesn't do that's fucking you up.
Well, no,
No,
he
no.
fucking takes my beer, vato.
That's
And then the cabrón, he posts on Facebook, hi, I'm the Kalifazz, I'm the Sancho, I'm the Sancho.
Oh my
That
God.
bitch is wearing my fucking shorts.
Oh no, that's
And I know they don't fit him.
it's better your shorts than your shoes.
Fuck.
Fíjate.
No, vato, you know
You
that.
would rather have them in your shorts than in your shoes.
No.
que se no
Check
te
this shit out.
llene.
Vato, una vez fuimos a bailar, right?
Ajá.
Fuimos a bailar. And llegué bien pedo, perdón.
This is the story. It's a steal. I
Then
love it.
I'm looking for my fucking chanclas.
Oh no, he is in your shoes. Pinche Sancho.
They're not my shoes. He
You're
fucking
wearing-
left them there.
You're wearing Sancho shoes?
Well, I didn't know until I saw a size 12, and I'm only a size 8.5, 9 when I'm pregnant. I mean, go get pregnant, god damn it.
I knew where this was going, but automatically you're in some 12s when you're floating in some, and you're usually, oh my gosh. So, Sancho's
Yeah.
on, is basically what you're saying.
Not called him. Le
Sancho,
dije,
hey, mira, we got to
dice, bueno, soy Kalifazz.
¿Y quién?
Kalifazz, güey.
Pendejo, ¿quién? Es Kalifazz.
Tú dejaste tus pinches chakras en mi casa.
Oh, fue un error, disculpe.
Well, don't do it again, cabrón. Because the next time te voy a echar los pinches cholos en Los Ángeles.
Oi!
That's how it went.
I can imagine. I wasn't there.
What the fuck? What the fuck?
I wasn't there.
You know what? If you guys want this podcast to go good, vamos a mandarle la chingada a este cabrón.
I can't show.
You gotta
I
go
can't
pee-pee?
show- No, I'm trying to show the big feet. They-
Oh.
Can I get my sandals back?
I'm gonna la madre. I gave it to my pinche perro. My perro is a good WhatsApp.
Yeah, now he is. I can't go back.
Le dije al perro, her name is Paris. I go, mommy, whenever somebody comes into my house,
Don't let
you
the
bark.
Sancho in there.
Yes.
Don't let the Sancho in.
Si alguien, and I tell Paris, if it's somebody that you don't fucking know, I want you to bark 3 times. Paris, a dog. If you see him going to the room,
Bark
you
3
better
times.
tell me.
How many barks?
That bitch didn't bark. That time you got lucky, vato.
Okay.
I was ready to deport the pinche perro para atrás para Tijuana.
She's a street dog.
Era bien puta la cabrona.
Just don't know, right?
Yeah, no, have you guys ever had a dog that barks and it's so sad. It's very sad when the dogs just
Stop
bark.
barking for no reason.
God, I'm fucking, I hate when I do my podcast. It makes me fucking emotional, man.
Stop getting all tearful and everything. Remember, this episode is brought to you by El Sancho. I'm sorry.
It wouldn't hurt me if you would say elsancho.com.
él tiene sitio, pero no. I didn't want to get sponsors or anybody to go there, but you just did that. elsancho.com. This episode has also been brought to you by
elmaspendejo.com. You know what? It don't matter. It don't matter. It don't matter. You know what? All we're doing is having a good time.
Yeah.
You know.
Yeah.
And este vato le digo, hey, you want some cerveza? No. You want water? No.
What kind of water?
What the?
What happened? Oh, there it is.
So, Mr. Guy,
What happened?
I want you to do me a favor, because everybody, I don't know if it's the first time we ever tune in to the Kalifazz Puro Pichi Party podcast. Guy, everybody sabe que you're a fucking comedian.
No, todos saben.
Well, but we're gonna teach it,
Oh my
cabrón.
goodness, they're gonna learn.
All right, I want you to say one joke, pero vamos a hacerlo en inglés. Let's say a joke in English. Make these cabrones laugh. A ver.
A joke is English. You know, that's the worst thing for a comedy.
Well, say it in fucking Chinese.
Oh, chicha kuku, icha kuchu kuchaka, chingo go kanchaka, uchi kicha go tang, chica chacha.
Y toma tu vitacilina.
See, you can't ask a comic to tell you a joke.
Tell them.
You can't ask a comic. Don't go up to a comedian and say, tell me a joke.
All right.
You're not going to get a joke, because I'm not going to come to your job and ask you how do you turn a trash can over. It's the most offensive thing to do.
Okay, so...
It's hard to just jump into joke mode. That's actually what I'm trying to say.
I'm going to jump into jump mode.
Jump mode, baby.
No, jump.
Burn
out.
Why do you keep coming back to that?
Because I always remember it's Snoop Dogg.
That's not Snoop Dogg, though.
It's the same shit.
It's not the same shit. Hold up. All the bitches gonna say that we're soft. We don't play. Khalifa's gonna do it his own way. That's funny. Oh
So
my
you know
God.
what? Oh my God. And you know, you're really honestly starting to annoy me.
I'm sorry.
No, you're not.
I'm doing
You're doing it on fucking purpose. First, you're my fucking Sancho.
I'm Sancho.
Don't ever leave your fucking sandals there, cabrón. And then you go to the pinche Payless, vato.
I know, man.
Why don't you go to like those big ass stores? Like, hey, wait a minute. What do they call those purses? Those bitches, what's that say? The Liberace or what the fuck they call those?
Louis Vuitton.
Why doesn't Louis Vuitton wear sandals?
They have Louis Vuitton sandals.
Oh fuck, man! Then why do you leave Payless sandals?
Well, that's the way I can slip in and slip out. If I have my expensive stuff, I'm staying a long time. I'm making room.
Amigos, you know what? I think I'm fucking pissed.
He's mad at El Sancho
And you know what? I'm walking home.
in my shoes.
Hijo de tu pinche.
He can drive it away.
Amigos,
That's what
once
we're talking
again,
about.
I want to send a big shout out. I'm always going to say this by the time I go. I want to send a big shout out to Kalifazzradio.com. I want to send a big shout out to the gambler, Arturo. I forgot his last name.
Wow.
Yeah, whatever. But El Gambler, the Kalifazz.com. I want to send a big shout out to my wife, Carmi, that she's over here sanchándome. A big shout out to you guys, because you guys are going to make us be you guys. Amigos, Mr. Guy, thank you for being with us.
Oh.
Remember one thing. It's not going to just be us talking. Vamos a traerles tantos shows. Vamos a traerle la música grupera. Vamos a traerle tejanos. We're going to bring you guys strippers. We're going to bring you guys Playboy's Top 20.
We might be doing cooking demonstrations. You never know. You might learn some shit. You're going to learn some shit with us too. Kalifazz, Puro Pinche Party Podcast. Right.
Amigos, que pasen buenas tardes, buenas noches, good morning, whatever the fuck
you,
time
man.
you're listening at. We'll see you guys next time. Beep.
To be on our show, contact Kalifazz. Kalifazz Studio, 760-208-7264. If If you want to be on our show on our next episode, get in touch with us today.